Clarity FM is a platform that connects users with experts for one-on-one advice over the phone, but is it the right choice for your needs, especially when compared to other social media management and analytics tools? Let's go over 12 things you should know before making that decision. The first thing to note is that Clarity FM isn't designed primarily for social media management, which means it's not built to manage posts, monitor multiple accounts, or provide in-depth analytics like other platforms such as Hootsuite or Buffer. Instead, Clarity FM focuses on connecting users to experts in various fields for advice sessions. This means it's better suited for individuals who need personalized consultations. Next thing to consider is pricing. Unlike traditional software tools that charge monthly or annual subscription fees, Clarity FM operates on a pay-per-minute basis. The rates can vary widely depending on the expert, so costs can quickly add up if you need a lot of consulting. If you're looking for something with more predictable costs for ongoing social media management, you might want to look at alternatives like Sprout Social or AgriPulse. The third thing to know is that Clarity FM is highly specialized. While platforms like SocialBee or Buffer offer a broad range of social media management tools, Clarity FM is more niche, offering consultations with experts. If you're seeking advice on how to improve your social media strategies, Clarity FM might be useful, but it won't automate your processes or give you scheduled posts. Next thing to keep in mind is the quality of experts. Clarity FM features experts from a wide range of fields, but the platform doesn't guarantee the quality of advice you'll receive. Unlike specialized social media management tools with built-in resources and guides, here you're dependent on individual knowledge, which can vary. The fifth thing is the user interface. Well, Clarity FM is relatively simple and straightforward to use. It lacks the advanced dashboards and reporting tools offered by social media management software like Hootsuite or HubSpot. If you need robust analytics and insights, these competitors might be better suited for your business needs. The sixth thing is the flexibility of Clarity FM. One of its strengths is that you can schedule calls with experts as needed, offering you flexibility. But if you want a tool that automatically integrates with your social media accounts for real-time monitoring and scheduling, platforms like Buffer or Sprout Social are more effective in this regard. The seventh thing to think about is Clarity FM's limited customer support. Since it's a platform for connecting with experts rather than providing ongoing management, you might find customer service more limited compared to a dedicated software provider with full support teams. The eighth thing to note is the expertise available on Clarity FM. You have access to professionals from various industries, not just social media. This is a unique benefit if you need advice across other business areas, but if you're solely focused on social media management, alternatives like Later or SocialBee might be more specialized. The ninth thing is that Clarity FM allows for personalized, tailored advice. While many social media tools offer one-size-fits-all solutions, Clarity FM enables you to speak with someone directly, ensuring you get advice tailored to your specific needs. However, you'll still need a separate platform for actual content scheduling and reporting. Next, consider the time commitment. With Clarity FM, you pay for one-on-one sessions, which means you're trading your time and money for advice. Social media tools like AgriPulse or Buffer allow for continuous, automated management, saving you time in the long run. The 11th thing is the scalability. Clarity FM is ideal for individual users or small businesses seeking advice on a specific project or strategy. But if you need a comprehensive tool for managing multiple accounts and team collaborations, platforms like Sprout Social or SocialBee offer more scalability. The 12th and final thing is that Clarity FM doesn't have the same integrations as social media management software. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow for seamless integrations with various social media platforms, letting you streamline all your processes in one place. With Clarity FM, you'll have to handle the integration and execution separately. So, while Clarity FM offers valuable one-on-one consultation services, it's not the best option for hands-on social media management or